first stop is the Giraffe Center, which is just 20-30 minutes by car from the city center. You can take Bolt, which is like the taxi service from the city center, or you can hire someone to take you to places. And my flight was very late today, so I need to save up some time. And that's my first stop. That's basically where you can feed giraffes. I can see them already. So let's get to the interesting stuff.
You see them there?
Oh, little baby, big baby, and Pumbas. Pumba, where are you? Pumba. Oh, giraffe is on the way. Aww. This one is Giraffe Manor, a very famous hotel, $1,000 per night, where you can have breakfast with giraffes, feed them, sleep with them. I see them in your window. It's right here. You can't really have breakfast there unless you stay. I actually didn't know that it's right in the city center, and I thought it's somewhere more on outskirts, which will bring it more charm, but it's right here, so I saw it, and here's Pumba again. La la. Pumbas came out on a family walk. That's me, the explorer. I am at the Elephant Center, and it's 20 minutes from Giraffe Center, but as I said, I hired someone to drive me, which is very advisable because I didn't see lots of transportation in between. It's also quite rural roads, and for this specific thing you have to book in advance, like month in advance, because you can only see these elephants, which is amazing thing to do. 1 hour each day from 11 to 12, and it's $15. It's amazing. I got splashed by one of the elephants because I was standing right there. You can touch them. Oh. I wish someone would watch me eating like that. that crowd.
I don't want anyone to watch me eating.
No, but imagine you're eating and people are like, wow. Good job.
And our teams on the ground will make a follow-up, find out what is happening, and help correct the illegality. And lastly, we do have a community project.
And I'm on the last leg of my journey. Finally, I have a coffee. Otherwise, I wouldn't survive it. Oh, we're near the airport, so you'll hear the sounds of the airplanes. So I'm on a safari walk. It's $22, which is a lot. But anyway, they promised 100% there would be animals on both sides of me. I don't see it yet, but they said it's an hour walk. Right now, I only see myself and the insects. I have a first predator to show you. I didn't notice him, so let me know if you would. I swear I didn't notice him, and he is huge. Oh my god. I spotted another animal, but it's so hard to see. Can you? It's a leopard right here, masking really well among the trees and being very angry at all us. Now we're looking at the dinner for all the predators we just seen. So that's where they go after when they want to eat. Yeah, okay.
It's a lifetime experience.
Now it's time for the enemy number one of the Lion King. Hyenas. Come on, come here. There you go. Woo woo! We're entering Kibera slums, which can be quite a poor area and can be dangerous to walk on. So sad. Update from me, I'm exploring the downtown of Nairobi, which can be dangerous for female, but anyway, I found this cafe, Art Cafe, one of the few that has soya or oat milk, which I need because I'm dairy intolerant, and it's right in the city center. Very nice stuff. I'm going out right now. I'm in downtown and I already see like kids coming up to me asking for money and stuff like this, so you should be really careful. And I don't know how much filling I'm gonna get, and if I will, that would be great for me. I hope no one is gonna steal my phone. Okay, so let's go explore. And I moved to West area, I think it's called, which is famous for its nightlife, but I'm here only for this beautiful restaurant. It's called Amaika, and it says it's Eastern African food, and I couldn't find anything that looked proper and also had good reviews in city center, so I decided to come here. I ordered some traditional dishes, one of which sounds very questionable, and I'll try it on the camera and you'll see my reactions actually of them. There's just like baboon fell from the roof to the palm, but anyway, just a regular thing here in Africa. So the first dish that I'm trying today are the termites. Yes, you heard it right. I'm scared to eat it. Okay. Okay. I mean,
Crunchy.
yeah. Okay. At first, they do taste like oil,
Yeah.
but then they have very distinctive taste, like salty, but some kind of insect taste. At the end, something earthy.
So
Oh,
you want the person who is going to be to tell you just what type of soy.
Well, I tried it. If you're wondering why it was so hard, that's why. Here we have something more familiar except for this. This is wimbi, which is a mix of millet, sorghum, and cassava flours. That's how it's made. And this one is a traditional organic chicken. It's steamed in African pot. Tastes like dough, literally. Need some spices. And I am back, safe and sound. I'm so thankful for it. First, I just want to start with the airport. If you want to buy SIM card right away, which I really advise you to do, you would need to have cash because they don't accept credit card or any card at all. You either can take it at ATM, which are present in the airport, and the commission is 6.5%, or you can exchange at the rate of 100 euros to 130. The SIM card itself is about $13 for 5 gigabytes. It's a Safari link which works everywhere, and if you're going to Safari, which you definitely should, that's the only company that will work. This is the most expensive company, that's why it is expensive. Let's talk about Nairobi. I've been in a lot of places, but I've never had people approaching me, local people, and saying, look, it's not safe to walk here. So I decided not to risk it. It's not that someone's gonna stab you or kill you, it's just someone can steal your bag, your phone. That happens a lot. And I remember when I asked my taxi driver, like, oh, is it okay if I'll walk by myself when it's dark? And it's dark after 6 p.m. He laughed. He said, no, it's very dangerous. And then I asked someone else, same response. So I guess it is dangerous. Nothing happened. God bless. But I took taxi everywhere. Bolt is a lifesaver. It costs like £1, £2 to get to the other side of the city. Safe, efficient, comes on time, works with the app and your credit card. Another thing is that tips. So anytime you accept help from anyone, you'll be expected to tip. I don't like it, I don't tip. Not because I don't like to give tips necessarily, but because I warn in advance that if you want to help me, that will be free of charge, or please do not help me because I don't need your help. While I was walking on this safari walk, I didn't need any guide. I actually wanted to be by myself, and someone approached me and I said, no, thank you, I want to be by myself. He's like, oh, no, don't worry, I'm just going to show you a couple things. I'm like, okay, you do you, but I still want to go by myself. And then, of course, he goes like, oh, like it's customary to tip. I'm like, no, like you've been warned. Same thing actually happened when you negotiate the prices, right? My driver in the morning was 5,000. I agreed because firstly he said 6,000 and then he switched to 5,000 because it's a good deal for me. And then at the end he asked me, oh, where else I want to go? And we just took a longer route through the slums so I can see it from the window. It maybe added 5 minutes to the whole trip. And he goes like, oh, I thought because we did the longer route you can give me some more. And I'm like, we agreed to 5,000 and I'm gonna give you 5,000. People can make you feel bad and you shouldn't. Like if you negotiate one price, you go with it. If you feel bad about it, just don't take their help at all. Like don't hire the driver for 5,000. Just explain, look, thank you, I appreciate you also need to feed your family, pay your bills, but I cannot afford your service at this time. I think that would be very respectful. So that's my observations for now. Of course, everything else is just mind-blowing, all the animals, the hectic of life in Nairobi. And I wish every female to stay safe, healthy, warm, comfortable, and don't be scared to travel. Nairobi is here for you. I wish to see you here. Mwah. Before you get any older.